Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here with the final look for Black Theme Week, and I decided to close it off with a nice black smoky eye. Of course, I plan on pairing it with a nice nude glossy lip. So if you guys are interested and want to see how I'm going to achieve this look, then of course keep on watching. I'm at the stage of my pregnancy where I'm like, I'm over it, but I'm gonna do my best for the next color themes. I feel like I probably won't be able to commit to 5 per each color that I want to finish, but I'm gonna do my best. Lately I just been feeling very much so exhausted. I knew third trimester was going to hit me. That's why I was trying to hurry up and film this before I got here, but life happens and days were skipped, and here we are. So yeah, I'm 31 weeks right now. I have what is that, exactly 8 more weeks, technically 9 weeks if I go full 40 weeks, but I'm rebuking that last week. I'm kind of rebuking 39 weeks. I kind of want to have the baby around 37, 38 because I feel like I won't physically, I feel like, not even physically, like emotionally and physically, I don't know if I have enough strength to carry all the way to 40 weeks, but I'm gonna leave everything in God's hand and just pray that He'll bring this baby when it is time and when the baby is healthy. So yeah, so anywho, let's zoom right in. Already prepped and primed my eyes, and like I said, we're gonna do a black smoky eye, and sometimes a black smoky eye can be a little bit intimidating because sometimes it won't come out right. So I have hit and misses when I do these kind of looks, so let's pray that this does me well. I'm going to be using the In the Buff palette by Beast by Deb. And the first shade I'm going to go in with the shade Deep, which is this pretty brown right here. And I'm just going to pop that right in the crease, creating that black smoky eye. I think the whole point is having your crease blend out first before going straight in with that black eyeshadow, because black can be such a harsh color. So if you don't have it on gently and have everything else blended out before doing so, then it will definitely come out a little harsh. So I'm just making sure that I blend this onto the crease. Alright, to help blend this out, I'm going to go in with a little bit of Bleach Nuts, which is this orangey brown shade. I'll be taking like a blending brush and I'm just going to buff this eyeshadow out. Alright, so now I'm going to deepen my crease just a tad bit, and I'm going in with this really dark brown. I'm going to place that right in, a little bit going up in my crease, kind of like slowly introducing like the black by adding such a dark brown, and it's just going to make everything kind of like flow together a lot better. And I had wanted to start off with this brown, but I didn't want to go so harshly right away. So when it comes to certain looks like this, it's always best to go light and then build darker colors around it. So that way if you do make a mistake, you're slowly adding, you know, darker colors on. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now is add that black eyeshadow. So the thing about this and making sure you don't go overboard and just put too much black onto the whole entire look is adding the black into your crease first. And the reason why I feel like this is a lot more helpful is because if you go in with the lid first and then try to blend it out, to me I feel like you're like, oh wait, I put too much on, I didn't define my crease, it just don't look right. For me, I just feel like this method works a lot better. And I'm gonna go a little at a time with this black, and I'm just going to brush that right in my crease. And as you guys can see, I have a smaller detail brush to make sure I don't go overboard and apply too much of this black. So I am going in the crease, just slowly on a blend it out. Being that I added that dark brown and everything, I don't have to apply so much of this black because I already have that dark brown, kind of like taking the imitation of the place of this black eyeshadow. And if needed, I'm going to go back in with that dark brown just to help blend out this black so it won't appear harsh. Look at that, this crease looks phenomenal, okay? Alright, so now here's the tricky part. So I'm going to go back in with that same black eyeshadow and I'm going to take a little at a time onto my brush and I'm just going to simply just tap this on. I'm not going to add a black base, no other technique. I'm just applying that black shade right on top of the lid. Being that I already have my crease and everything blended out, there's not much that I have to do. As you guys can see, this looks amazing and I'm very happy. Now putting an eyeliner on is kind of pointless, but I'm still going to do it because I'm addicted to liner. So I'm going to do my liner and do the rest of my face, and then we're going to pop an inner color into this little smoky eye just to bring some more life back into our eyes. Alright, so for my bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with a black pencil. I'm going to pop that right in my waterline. Same thing I did with the black, I'm going to put that on my bottom lash line. I'm going to tap, tap, tap. And then I am going to blend it out with that first brown that I used. Just going to pop it right underneath. This is going to make that black not look so harsh underneath the bottom part. Like I said, I want to add a little bit of like a pop inside my inner pop. So I'm going to go in with this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. And I did go in with a little bit of some glitter glue. Open the eyes just a little bit. Alright, so now moving on to my lips, I'm going to go in with my NYX pencil. And I'm just going to line my lips with this pencil. Alright, I'm going for a nude lip. And I'm going in with this lipstick by MELLOW. And then I'm going to gloss it up with Juicy. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my JUVIAS blush palette. This is a blush and a highlighter palette. So I'm going to go in with this blush and then pop this on for highlighter. Alright my love, so this completes the look. I really do hope you guys like and enjoy today's look. If you ever have been intimidated by a black smoky eye, I hope this video helped you guys out, because like I said, if you follow these steps, I feel like you can pull off the perfect wearable smoky eye, a black smoky eye on top of that. I just really like how this look. It looks so flawless, it looks clean, and I don't look like a raccoon with the black on the eyes. And it's definitely complementing the outfit. So really quick, let me show you guys the outfit. Y'all see that belly? It is flowing and making everything in my dress wise just lift up in the front. And I'm keeping it on. I'm like, I'm not changing. It is what it is. I'm going to accept that. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys try it out. And of course, I hope you guys are excited for the next color theme. I don't know what color is going to be because I just don't know. So y'all will have to wait and see. I think I have, what, 3 colors left? to do, so y'all can pretty much guess what I might be doing next. If y'all want to guess, go ahead and leave them down at the bottom. Try to guess what colors I haven't done yet. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys when I see y'all. Y'all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.